Every time a robot is used in a new location, such as a new city, it needs to be calibrated for better use of the robot. Below I will demonstrate how to calibrate the robot. Hold down the right foot from the robot's viewpoint of the robot and the power button at the chest. Robot will start up. After about 5 seconds, buzzer shall start to emit a series of acute beeps until the end of calibration and leave the robot static for about 10 seconds. Put hands on the slot where the 3D camera locates to lift up the robot. Shake the robot's head to do a circular motion for 3 times. Larger the sharking radius, faster calibration will be done. Hold the robot with your hands and tilt it back about 45 degrees for 10 seconds until the buzzer stops beeping. Now calibration is completed, robot can be used normally, have fun. If the buzzer is still beeping after finishing step 3, please press the main switch on the chassis to shut down the robot. A few times later turn on switch on chassis and repeat step 1 to step 3. If there is no sound from the buzzer after finishing step 2, it means the calibration is done.